come back.
We're here at the Hoover Dam.
Cause I'll be damned. This place is crazy. I thought it was gonna be cold, but now it's really hot. So
I thought it was gonna be more windy.
Ready? 1, 2, and 3.
Is that a video?
Yeah.
Oh.
she called you out, man.
So this is the Hoover Dam. If you look over there, you're gonna see a bridge. That's the Hoover Bridge. And they built the dam so that they can use the water for agricultural reasons. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Yeah, I agree. I have no idea what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know. Thank you, stranger.
Ready? Tuti, buncho. Buncho, look. Look. 1, 2, 3. Say yay.
Yay! Oh, this is crazy, man. Look, guys, I'm hanging off the edge.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Everything is wow.
Oh, oh.
Can you see? Even if she can't see anything, wow.
Okay, let's go.
Where are you going?
Yeah, I know.
I know, she wants her best friend.
I know. Wow, it's Tutai. It's baby. Can you kiss baby? Kiss baby. Mwah. We're here at the Wynn Hotel, and oh my god, this is like the bougiest hotel ever. Hotel tour, let's go.
#1 champ, baby.
Just kidding. That's it.
Check this out, check this out.
Wanna make some quick cash?
So we're here now at the Mirage.
Yeah, if you guys got speakers, send it my way because I'm gonna do a little show here for some fast cash.
We're waiting for the volcano show. It's still gonna be a couple minutes.
But only now you're talking in the vlogs because all of this whole time that you've been here, the third day,
Yeah.
and you're only now describing.
Well, it's because it's been a rough couple of days.
Well, you know what else is rough?
Jerome's pretending to check his phone, but he actually had to fart. Look, 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 look.
Don't expose me. Starting again?
Yeah.
This is it? Oh, that old man. Having a bad romance. Weed. I smell weed. Oh my god, I smell weed. Hey, hey, hey. Whoa. How much is the disease? As long as it's me, I want your love. Love, 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 I want your love. You're gonna hear me singing. Such a you. I want your love. Love, 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 I want your love. Happy birthday.
Hey, you started school. It's all yours.
Okay.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear lover. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Shout out to my friends. Shout out to my homie in the back.
Hey, where's my other earring?
What's up, bro? Say anything to the vlog?
But where's my earring?
Oh, I still have it in my pocket. Oh, he doesn't want to say anything to the vlog.
Because he doesn't know you. Don't have some